Isuzu 12PD is the year 1993. Right from there is the Isuzu 12PD. 12PD Isuzu. Right from there is the Isuzu 12PD. Number 8 Adfield Corporation. Right from there is the Isuzu. Isuzu. Not for her is the safe loader. Safe loader truck. Okay, right from there is the 90s safe loader, year 1993. Right from there is the okay, no problem. There is the good time. There is the safe loader. Isuzu 12PD. Right problem. There is the safe loader. Good time. There is the box safe loader. Is the box safe loader. Is year 1993. Right from there is the Isuzu 12PD. Right from there is the good time. There is the safe loader truck. Right from there is the good time. There is the Isuzu. Right problem. And 5 and 4 and 3 and 2 and 1 and go.